Today we are going to look at a GCSE question that asks you to describe 2 ways that the structure of an artery differs from that of a vein. There's actually more than 2 things you could say here, but we'll focus on the main 2 that always come up first in the mark scheme. Let's have a look at these cross sections of our blood vessels. This is our artery. I'm going to call that A. This is our vein. The key thing in your wording here is it's got to be a comparison. You're looking at their differences. Let's quickly look at the space inside. This is a cross section of these blood vessels. Blood is going to flow through this space. We call that the lumen. The lumen of the vein is substantially wider than that of the artery. So there's one difference already. Wider. Don't just say wide. We've got to show it's a comparison. The lumen of the vein is wider. Let's have a look at another bit. Looking at those walls, we can clearly see that the walls have a different thickness. But again, you've got to be a little bit more precise than just saying one is thicker than the other. We're going to look at the layers. Now we have within the artery's walls and within the veins walls, muscle and elastic tissue. In the artery, the muscle and the elastic tissue is always thicker than that of the vein. So there's our second marking point. So the elastic tissue layer and the muscle tissue layer is thicker in the artery. There is one other thing you could say. I've not put it in my diagram, but arteries generally don't have valves within their structure, whereas veins do. You could include that. If you are missing a point, you can't think of a second point. We could add that in. Let's write it up here. But because we're doing a comparison, it's important to say veins have valves, arteries do not. If you like this video and you want some more practice, then make sure you follow us for more content, and I'll see you soon.